So I just want to jump in today's video and just be like, yo, we will be doing my brakes today after ORP. This ain't going to be a tutorial on how to do your brakes. This is just me going to be doing them. Other than that, yeah, I got EPA Blue stuff. And for the, by the way, I only got the front. I don't know what my rears are at, but I will be looking at my rears, and if they need to be done, I will purchase them. My rears weren't making any noises, and they weren't being really effective, but if you also look at my wheel, there was a lot taken out of them. EPA Blue stuff for pads, DBA XS 4000 series rotors. Personally, I think I got a really good price for those rotors. What else are we going to be doing too is we also got to do my oil change. I pushed the car hard. It has also been tuning with that same oil in there. It's also been daily driving with that same oil in there, and it has exceeded 2,500 miles, which is what I'm now going to regularly change my oil because I am on ethanol and pump. So when I change my oil, it's going to smell just a little bit like ethanol. I've already smelled my oil cap, and I can confirm that. But yeah, before I get everything up in the air, I have to clean up this garage, and also my car battery is dead because somebody left the lit logo on, and it's been 2 weeks. That is my own personal fault. Plus, I do need to get a new battery, so I should probably think about ordering something from Subaru. I need a new battery and a skid plate underneath. So I should probably get on that. But anyways, let's get cleaning this garage. Alrighty, I got the garage cleaned for the car. The car is getting its battery charged right now. Only thing I know is this car is going to be a pain in the ass to start. Yeah, let's get you guys set up on a tripod. You think she'll start if I discharge her? And the charge, battery voltage, 12.8. Well, there's only one way to find out. I know for a fact my car ain't happy right now with me. Lights work though. Please forgive me. It forgives me. One thing I really am excited though about is I really want to see the quality of the oil. After everything, I'm kind of nervous, but not really. Also, not sure if you guys told you, but I have also upgraded phones. I have the new 15 Pro Max. Very excited about, or 16 Pro Max, sorry. Alrighty, time to see how bad this shit is, even though it's bad. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Ugh. That's not me for me pressing on the brakes. This is me pressing on the brakes. Ugh. So while the car was warming up, I went ahead and got the car on the lift and took off the tires. One thing I want to note, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 all seasons, they're alright. You know, I got some rubber caked onto them, but that's cool. They did really good from what you expect from all seasons on a hot track day. So I can't complain. I wouldn't recommend them if you really want to go all sporty like, but yeah, they did okay. So, POV, we already got this side done. It looks immaculate. Where are they? Sorry, I do have the GoPro like right in front of my eyes, so you can tell. There's no pad material. Yeah, I got one side done. You won't believe it. So everything turned against me. So the rear pads actually are toasted as well. So I'm can't really push on this thing. So back to the Armada. So it's been a while. I think it's been 2 weeks since we last talked. I have, once again, EBC Blue Stuff rear and DBA rotors. Let's get start working on this bitch. Roll down the windows.
X-band. K-band.
Turn that off.
K-A-band.
Yeah. Laser. Just gonna unplug it because you're gonna do the same shit when I start the car. So, got those guys on both sides. We are looking good. So the car's now done. So, let's go and do a cold start real quick. We're gonna go ahead and take her out, close that hood, close the garage, get stuff moved in. I'm gonna go take her out real quick for a little spin. I'm not gonna go ahead and do the review just because I gotta break these in, which does take some time. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive the car today. I might do like a little bit of a POV drive tomorrow, but that'll be a whole different video. So, as Dylan hates it, I will give you guys a proper sign out. So, yeah, all in all, with just having the fronts done, EBC Blue Stuff, amazing. It gets, if you care about your wheels, they'll get dirty real fast. So keep that in mind. DBA rotors, depending on what you like. I personally like drilled and slotted. Just my take. I know drilled is not the best, but it does have the best heat release, I guess you could say. I don't know the right term, sorry, whatever. I don't think there's really anything else to say other than that. Hope you guys enjoyed me just installing the brakes, and I'll see you guys later this week.